Hi there guys, and welcome to the Watch channel. Today I've got some really exciting news, and that is that we are bringing back the special offers for subscribers and viewers of this channel. So first of all, just want to say thank you very much to starbuy.com.au for supporting this venture. And like I say, we don't earn anything from it. This is merely just the channel wanting to say thank you to you as viewers by giving you access to probably the best deals that you can get for these watches. Now, there are a few that are going to be going over the next few weeks. I'm going to try and do one or two a week, but like I say, the discounts are going to be, well, I know for this watch in particular, the discount is probably the best I've seen on it. So without further ado, this is the first watch that is off the rank, and it is the Seiko SRPG41. So it is essentially a field watch from the Seiko 5 Sports range, and has a gunmetal case and a very nice sort of dark brown dial with nice beige hour markers. Anyway, you've got the video and the macro shots that are up now, so take a look at those. But like I say, really nice watch. The strap, I'm somewhat impressed by the strap, more so than the case, if that makes sense. Really nice thick calf leather strap, but fantastic. Anyway, use the code that I'm putting up on the screen now. Stocks are limited, so it is a case of first in, best dressed. If you do want the watch, then please go and buy it as soon as you can. To be very clear, we aren't making anything from this. This is not a commission thing. This is not you know, an affiliate thing. This is just a gesture of thanks to you guys. So please, if you do like the content and you do want to be notified when the next drop occurs, click for a notification, subscribe, and please do like the video, because that really helps the channel out. Anyway guys, I wish you all the best. I hope that you like this watch, and keep your eyes peeled, because there'll be another one coming in the next week. Anyway, take care, have a lovely weekend. See you guys.